Hello, today I do the palm reading for Joli. She's sick today, so I do for her. And today we got the client. I got the glove. Pass me your hand. I got the glove so I don't contaminate, the germ from my hand. I don't put to yours. So today we do the palm read. But before we start, I get you to choose some card. Be good to yourself. I put the card for you. You have a feel. You tell me which one you want. Okay, you have a read of that card. What does it say?
Find time to do things that make you feel happy, and to be with people who make you feel loved.
Oh, that is a good card. We'll do this one here. You can read it while we do the work. Now, I do one more thing before we start. You tell me when to stop, and I stop.
Stop.
Oh, you like this one. I see you like this one. It says make love,
Yes.
not war. The relaxation that follow lovemaking work on many different levels. Oh, indeed. Okay lah. Okay, so we start with the size of the hand. Let me see, are you center? There we go. So I see here, you got the square hand. The shape is square. Square hand is useful hand. This shape belongs to the individual who need to be needed. Oh yeah, that you. They have good logic pattern to their thinking and usually have a good mechanical sense. How that describe you to the T. They are often very busy physically. Oh yes, that you too. Okay, next we start with the finger. The fingertip. And we choose the shape. I see maybe you got not the pointed. Let me see, hold up this way. Not the conical, not the square. Spatulate. We go with the square, I think. More square. Square fingertip. These people prefer to lead a simple life with simple pleasure to keep them happy. The excellent worker who always able to make money. Oh, that you for sure. Easy and do so well in the field of business. What you think? That sound like you? They always scrupulously fair in their approach and their dealings with others. I think so. Now I check the fatness of the hand. The fatness from this side, I think a little bit thick, not very thin. What that say? Let me see if your hand is soft or hard. Look hard to me. Hard, and thick. Hard and thick hand. So, hard and thick. These people have very basic needs. Food, shelter, and make love. Free from ambition. They have no desire to keep up with the rat race. I don't know. Maybe not. And I say you got the very large hand. The very large hand is very bright mentality, love trivia, and mental exercise. They sharpen their mind. They can be the maverick and trendsetter. Oh, trendsetter, yes, definitely. And are unlikely to accept the status quo. They often possess a great strategic ability. They like to be constantly in charge of life and object to being told what to do. Oh, I think that's definitely you. Okay, let's see. Now we move on to the line. Let me see. Oh, you left-handed? Is this your right hand? Oh, this one won't do. We need the other hand. Okay, let's see. Oh dear. I said to say, I think you're going to die tomorrow. What's the date today? Or maybe next day. Maybe 100 years from now. Hard to say. I see your headline. Very strong headline. Oh, that's the headline. Oop. Oh, yes, very strong headline. I see you got a lot of crack on your hand. Hardworking. You do the manual job. You like to work hard. Lift. I can see all the muscle in your hand. I think maybe you rule by your heart and not your head. Even though your headline very strong, your heart line even stronger. And look here, I've got a lot of line coming off the heart line. A few islands on your heart line. A lot of different direction, indecision. A lot of hard choice to make. And maybe your heart line stronger than your headline. Oh, not very bright lah. Maybe. Oh, finance. Got deep finance, but not very long. Maybe that's because you don't live long life. Hard to say. Hard to say. Let me see here. I don't see many islands on your lifeline. Not too much indecision. Not too many direction, different direction. A little bit of different direction. You see here, this one, go that way, that way. 20s, got decision, go this way, that way. And you go that way. And then more decision right here, 30. You go that way, that way. Your left line, meet your finance line. Oh, you suddenly come into a lot of money. Right there, a lot of money. Must make it last a long time, you know. And do this thing with your finger. Oh no, sorry, you're not psychic. Maybe psycho, but not psychic. I see you got this line here. I see, let me think what this one means. I see that the fate line run up this way. Let me see what say about you, fate line. Oh, a lot of crossing your fate line. I'll tell you what though. Oh, this signify hindrance. Lot of hindrance. Will be hard to work to recover momentum and willpower. Must be kept up during this period. So no slacking, you know. Must keep working to reach the goal. I see your headline very long too, very long. Maybe not so bright, but often thinking. I think that's what they say. A lot of conundrum in your headline. A lot of split. See the split? So many split. This one, that one, this one. Come this way, break. Come that way, break. So many. Oh, I see here. Oh, 3 boy. 2 boy. Oh, amazing. Must keep make love like the book said, you know. What you say the other day? You need the medication. What? Try Cox again. Yeah, okay.
That's for the woman. Not for the man.
Yes.
Han ser på ofta.
You can see that. You can see that on the TV, the camera, you know. Hey, this day and age, that's so rude, you know. Okay, what else I see? Finance, love. Oh, love life. Let me see the love life. Slow and steady, the love life. Not too much heartbreak. Not too much deviation. You'll get in one relationship and stay for a long time. Lucky for you, this person not take all your money and run. I see. Okay, you have any question for me?
No questions.
Let me see, you got some cross on your hand? No. Some square on your hand. Square. Wonderful, marking represent protection and good health. Ooh, let me look for the square. Maybe I can make the square. I don't see square. I just see a lot of island. A lot of blockage. Chain indicate confusion. You're very confusion. I see very confusion right there, right there. A lot of chain. Oh, very confusion on the headline right there. Oh, your lifeline very interesting. Come this way and not this way. Interesting. No square, a lot of triangle. I don't know what triangle means. Very confusion. Cross. Oh, cross is a longer lasting problem. See, you got big cross there, 20s. Big cross there, 30s. Little bit of cross there, maybe 80. That's when your partner dies and you have to live a long, long life. Oh, so sad for you. Bad luck. But at least you live long, good, healthy life, long, hard-working hand, many sun, and hard-working, good muscle in your hand. Now I think we need to finish off with some moisturizer. Your hand is too dry lah. When was the last time you moisturized your hand?
A long time.
Oh, Roxy, so, oh yeah, so dry. You've been washing your hand a lot? I can see. A lot of washing, dry out the hand. Not enough moisture. Hiya, pull your finger. Hey, you don't even have to ask me. I pull your finger already. Okay, I do the milk cow, you know. Who you calling cow? Okay, that's me do your palm reading for today and do the moisture. I think maybe you need to put more moisture and then you have less crisscross and less confusion on your palm, you know. Okay, well, thank you very much. You can pay me at the door, $100 for today.
Okay, now.
Oh, cool. I'll see you next time.
Okay.